Today, broadly speaking, in most fair use cases, and almost all of the kinds of fair use cases with which CAA members and their cohort are likely to be concerned, judges ask effectively two questions when they decide fair use cases. One is, they ask, is the new use for a transformative purpose, which means essentially a purpose different from the purpose of the original use. So, for instance, if I take a clip from a news report and show it as part of a historical montage in a movie I'm making, that's a great example of a transformative purpose. It was made for one thing, it's being used for another. The second thing we know is that when courts conclude that a use is transformative, they then ask another question, and the question they ask is the amount of the material and the character and quality of the material being used appropriate to the new transformative purpose? And if the answer to both of those questions is yes, if it's a transformative use, and if the amount of material used is appropriate to the use, then as a practical matter, statistically in almost every case, we know that that use will be considered fair.